guys, Sandy Ingram here. Welcome. This story shares how Iraq uses the latest technology to survive. When first reading this article, after transcribing it from Arabic to English and then rewriting the article, the research began to learn how it is even possible to grow wheat in the desert. That is when we learned of the damaging news from the U.S. for next year, but more on that in a moment. The Wheat Foundation in Washington State assures us that countries are growing wheat in the desert. You can find the details on the channel's blog. Over 2/3 of all grain grown globally is used for food. There is a global shortage of wheat due to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. But here is the kicker. Next year, flour prices in the United States will skyrocket due to drought. Dunams is the unit of measurement of land in the Middle East. 1 acre equals approximately 4 dunams. Iraq will plant 1.5 million dunams in irrigated areas of the desert and 4 million dunams in desert areas using underground water. This planting event will take place during the winter months and will secure Iraq's food security for the coming year. Moving on to less positive news, the Iraqi Prime Minister condemns attacks on U.S. troops. Iraqi resistance groups have been conducting drone attacks against U.S. bases in a show of solidarity with the resistance in Gaza. 1 U.S. contractor died as a result of a heart attack during one of the drone attacks, and several others have been injured.